Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with more SAT math, more evaluating statistical claims, observational studies and experiments. So we are gonna do two questions together and I'll leave you with a third one to do on your own, and you can find the answer for that one in the review video where I do all evaluating questions. So this is level easy, category B. From patrons at an ice cream shop, the manager surveyed 500 random people. The 500 people were given random flavors. Of those surveyed, 70% said they liked the flavors. Which of the following inferences can be drawn from this survey? So 500 were surveyed, 70% said they liked the flavors. And it was a random people, right? So most patrons liked the ice cream flavors at the shop. We want to read all the answer choices. 70% of patrons like the ice cream flavors at the shop. C, 30% of patrons do not like the ice cream flavors at the shop. And D, at least 70% of patrons like the ice cream flavors at this shop. So notice how B and C are the same thing, just phrased differently. So they're probably not going to work, right? Because if one is true, then the other would also be true. And the issue really is that 70% and 30% is too specific. There should be a range, right? There's usually a margin of error. We don't have the margin of error, so we can't infer that specifically 70%. It could be 71, it could be 69, it could even be 70.1. Any of those would make this false. So our answer will be A, right? That's a more broad, a more gentle conclusion to be made. And that's really what they want to emphasize on these types of questions. So remember, read all the answer choices and then choose the answer that you can infer without making too strong a statement. So let's try one more together and then do the last one on your own. Okay, so a research firm selected 600 people at random from a group of people who indicated that they liked ice cream. These people were given a peanut butter toffee ice cream flavor. Of those surveyed, 500 said they liked the flavor. Which of the following inferences can be drawn from this survey result? A, most people who like ice cream will dislike this peanut butter toffee flavor. B, most people who dislike ice cream will dislike this flavor. C, exactly 5/6 of people who like ice cream will like this peanut butter toffee flavor. And D, most people who like ice cream will like this peanut butter toffee flavor. So these people all like ice cream, and it's random, said they liked the peanut butter toffee flavor. So again, it's not 5/6, right? That's too specific. It's going to be D. Most people who like ice cream will like this peanut butter toffee flavor. All right, and now here is our last one. A research firm selected 300 people at random from a group of people who indicated that they enjoyed a particular show. The 300 people were shown a movie that served as the series finale and then asked if they liked the movie. Of those surveyed, 90% they liked the movie. Which of the following inferences can be drawn from this survey result? A, most people who like the series will like this movie. B, most people who dislike the series will like this movie. C, exactly 90% of people who watch movies will dislike this movie. And D, at least 90% of people who watch the series will like this movie. So try this one out on your own. Put the answer in the comments, and you can watch this question and others like it in the review video where I do all evaluating claims. So not just the easy category B, but all the easy, all the medium, all the hard. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.